This is Don Cottom with CloudRoom AV and 323 Link. Today I want to show you real quickly how we launch video calls in our rooms. Our platform has two different video options built into it, and one is Frame VR, which actually has both video conferencing and has a full virtual office environment that's fully compatible with AR and VR. And then we have our simple way that we do it, which we normally put these icons here for different rooms. And so these are our virtual meeting spaces, but we also add the jail locations. We can add the federal locations. We can add as many sites as we want over here. And so we're going to go ahead and launch the one for this room. This is a Chancery Court, and that will go through an automated process of getting us ready to go. And then we hit the join, and we have a little automation that launches us right into the room. And then we can bring anyone else in, just that easy. So, and that will use the zone microphones, which this courtroom has 3 of them. This entire front of the courtroom is picked up by those 3 microphones, but we also have some enhanced audio coming from these as well. And then we always put redundant microphone and speaker systems. We have redundancy in every courtroom in case something goes wrong. All right, well, that's how easy it is to launch one of our calls. And again, the judge walks in, it's time for arraignments. They simply hit the button for that session and they start. Just that easy. All right, thanks.